Hello, in this video I am going to show you the define command constant. So the define command is very similar to the assign command. The only difference is that the assign command is used for numeric based constants. The define command can be used for numbers and string constants. So I'm just going to use it for string constants, and I'll recommend watching the assign video first because you'll learn quite a lot in there and we'll be sort of expanding on that knowledge. So to create a constant using the define command, you can do it anywhere. I'm going to do it at the top. You just do %define the name of your constant. So I'm going to say str, and then I'm going to specify a string, and I'm going to put this string as I am Batman. And what I'm going to do is copy this, and instead of putting the string here, I'm just going to put that like so. If we run that now, we get I am Batman, and the length is calculated from this here, and this is a EQU constant, which I've got a separate video covering that, but feel free to check that out. Okay, so what's the benefit of doing it like this? If you want to create a constant where you have a string in there, and you're going to need to use it in several different locations, but you don't want another programmer to be able to just accidentally reassign a value to it, then this is the way to go. So you don't want to create a variable. But one thing to bear in mind, as with the assign command, the define command can be redefined. So redefined and assigning a value is technically something different. What I want you to do as an extra task is redefine this so it is another value. Recommend doing it after here, and then literally doing this code again to print it out and see the result. If you need any help, I would first recommend checking out the assign command video because I did it in there. And if you still need some further assistance, feel free to pop me a message. Also, another thing to note is that the define command and the assign command is case sensitive, so just bear that in mind. So that's it for the define command to create constants. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.